Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can screen share in Google Meet. So let's get straight into it. Um, I assume that you are in your calling with your colleagues and something. Now you will see here some buttons right below, right here down at the middle, and the third one right here, as you can see, is share screen. Now you can click on it and you will see that you can now share your screens, just window or just Chrome tab. So this is pretty awesome that you don't need to show everything. Then we have just windows, so windows like that, and then screen one, screen two. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.